wireless booster. You cut off the bottom of the Coke can, and with scissors we cut the can in half. Place this on your router and you will double the Wi-Fi range. Spray bottle that works in any direction. On hose that is inside bottle we add few steel nuts, that way the nozzle is submerged in liquid in any direction. Mosquito repellent. We know that mosquito avoid yellow light, so we get one cephal bulb and we spray it with yellow spray and leave it to dry for 1 hour. And we get cheap way to expel those annoying mosquitoes. Having trouble to untie plastic bag because the knot is too tight? Here is simple and easy way to do it. Just simple twist it one of the loops until it's tight and nice and push it through like this. Toothpaste is amazing for covering the holes on wall. Small amount of toothpaste will do a great job. Your remote control doesn't work. Open and inside you will find nasty liquid that you must remove it. After this cleanup, your remote control will be like new. Let's make toothbrush to vibrate. I have razor blade that have vibration function, so I will stuck this handle to the toothbrush and tie it with the electric tape. And here is your vibrating toothbrush. Every day I forgot something. So placing your stuff in your shoes before getting out is a great idea not to forget your stuff. When you want to protect your smartphone from water or dust, zip bag is perfect solution for this. How to know which key is for what? With